Good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome to our second year seminar. So, we are so happy because this is actually our second year of seminar. So, welcome to our seminar with the theme.
This is the first time po na makaka-experience po ako ng ganitong type of seminar, and I'm expecting po to learn a lot of things, especially po sa life-saving.
This is not actually just a requirement, but this is your individual responsibility.
Matututunan po namin dito yung mga basic safety po. And I'm excited to learn din po.
It's an absolute pleasure to welcome you all to this highly essential seminar on basic first aid and life support. It is a cornerstone training for every aspiring cruise line professional here at LPU Cavite.
Kaya narito po ang MCGI, ang UNTV NAR, News and Rescue, para magturo sa atin pagka merong mga emergency darating kagaya po ninyo.
Kami po sa UNTV News and Rescue, sa pangunguna po ng aming Kuya Daniel Rason, at sa katuwang po natin lagi ang MCGI, Members Church of God International, ay kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa Diyos sa pagkakataon maimbitahan po dito sa pagkakataon po na ito.
Bati po ng pag-ibig at kapayapaan, Lycian.
So this time, guys, we are so happy, and actually we are so fortunate to have with us here a very dedicated professionals who will be sharing their expertise to better help us understand and practice or apply the basic first aid skills.
Mahirap po na makipag-coordinate po sa mga land-based na hospitals. So with the knowledge po or pwedeng skills na maturo po sa amin, pwede po namin silang matulungan even though na basic lang po yung pwede namin i-apply.
With this seminar po, I think makaka-help po siya throughout my year because I'm planning din po na magbarko, and I think this seminar will help a lot. Yung matututunan po namin dito is yung basic safety, yung kung paano po yung gagawin namin in case may emergency.
So napakahalaga bilang estudyante, tayo ay isa sa mga makakatuwang po natin sa school na ito, na in case meron tayong emergency, may magagawa po tayo. Palakas na lang po ng boses.
Para hindi na lumala yung sugat or sakit, para madunasan din yung sakit na naramdaman niya.
Ang dami na namin natututunan about, lalo na sa safety, which is yun nga yung pinaka-point ng summer class namin ngayon, na tinuturo sa amin ng mga professor namin ngayon. Mas nadadagdagan yung kaalaman namin.
It is really important for us to know and enable to apply these learnings to our everyday lives.
Step by step, nakakatulong talaga yun sa amin. Hindi man masundan ng iba, pero sa pagturo nila ng step by step, doon namin nalalaman lahat kung paano yung tamang way.
For MCGI and UNTV, thank you very much for this opportunity. This is actually once in a year activity, and thank you for choosing us, LPU, for giving your expertise to our students. Pinaka-importante po talaga doon is the message of the Lord that the right thing to do really is by heart. We are helping out other people by heart. And thank you so much for that opportunity.
Kaya siguro sa ganitong pagkakataon, kahit konti lang, maglaan tayo ng oras para po matuto po tayo pagdating po sa salita ng Diyos.
Salamat sa Diyos, at meron tayong ganitong opportunity na magagamit natin sa mabuti.